Today's lesson we are going to focus on cell division. Now, just as we always do at the beginning of each lesson in class, I'll list the specific objectives that we want to achieve at the end of today's lesson on the board so that we can all go through, and then it's going to guide us as we go ahead. So, our first objective . Now, our first instructional objective this morning is to find and know the definition of cell division. Our second objective for today will be to look at the types of cell divisions in living organisms. And then finally, we will zero in on one of the types of cell division this morning. We will look at mitosis. That is the definition and the stages. So these are our objectives for today's lesson. First, we look at the definition of cell division. We will want to know what cell division is all about. Then secondly, we look at the types of cell division. The types of cell divisions that we have in living organisms. And then finally, we will look at mitosis. And under mitosis, we will simply look at the definition of mitosis and the stages of mitosis. So, without wasting much time, let's quickly look at the definition of cell division. So, cell division. Remember to keep these instructional objectives, write them somewhere in your book so that it will guide you as we move along in the lesson. So, cell division. What is cell division? Because cells are the basic unit of life, and they are responsible for growth in living organisms, they have to, at some point in time, divide so that their numbers will increase, so that the living organism will grow from one size to another size. Again, cell division has to do with the division of the cell to increase the number of cells in order to replace old and aging cells in living organisms. So when you look at these explanations that are given, a simple definition for cell division would be the division of the cytoplasm and nucleus of a given cell and the subsequent development of new structures. So for cell division, you have the cytoplasm of the cell dividing, followed by the division of the nucleus. Then later, because each cell will need specific structures, organelles, cellular structures, the new cells begin to develop new structures which will then help it to carry out the activities of the cell. So this is a simple definition of our main topic, cell division. Now let's quickly move on to the second objective, the types of cell division. Now remember, In Form 1, we looked at amoeba, and as some